Am I supposed to go like this? Or to be used as a platform? Ready?
Yep. Let's do the kitties.
Yeah, I'm pretty bad at this.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Can I say everyone or
After college. Who are struggling to find what they want and to find in college.
Coordinated by Mom.
Organization.
educational.
By among college
To college.
And CEO of the Amherst Wilder Foundation. That was not good.
Do I blink a lot? Tell me if I blink a lot.
Yes, you come to our conference.
Okay.
February 15th.
4 p.m.
Committee for this year. The planning committee.
Our keynote speaker.
motivating the unmotivated.
Okay. Planning.
We hope you.
Like 30 a.m. and our program ends at 5 a.m. 5 p.m.
Come to our conference.
Their knowledge and packs.
Contact us.
Of being.
That was the line.
Okay. With her knowledge and past
Past experience.
experience.
Can someone say bye to me?
Bye.